Hey, Jam Box Breaks here. It is the 29th or the 17th of October, 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time, doing a 2016 Perfect Game National Showcase for Rick. Congrats, Eric. Good luck, sir. So congrats. That's all right. He'll be in draft, Kevin. Guess what? Phillies will be expensive as hell. Get ready for Eagles and Phillies to be expensive ass teams from now on. #1 overall draft pick, whether he's good or not, he's going to be expensive until we find out. People keep saying Eagles should be going down in breaks. No, they shouldn't. Wentz is going up in value. I don't know why people are saying that. Wentz don't look bad. Wentz has been playing his heart out. He looks a lot better than Dak Prescott. I'll tell you that. He's throwing 50-yard bombs and throwing further than 8-yard passes. Looks a lot better. I can't wait for him to develop more. All right, David LaManna, 42/50. Dak looks good too, but he just throws short passes all day. He don't bomb them out. All right, green parallel, Gustavo Rodriguez, 10/10. All right, next up, we have a Cole McNamee, 2/25. All right, we got a Austin Weirmiller, 2/50. Luis Guerrero, 24/50. Next up, we got a Brock Mathis, 5/10. Next up is Robert Bell, 25/25. Last print run. We got Tyler Esplin, 4/10. Green parallel. Next up, we got a Shane Muntz, 31/50. Oh, Shane Muntz. There's like no J's. This is actually, I like that better. Next up, we have a Chad Bryant, 7/15. So if we do any breaks of this, no one can cry about too many J's. There hasn't been yet. Next up, we have a Mitchell Weisberg, 14/50. Alrighty. Alex Arose, 36/50. Daniel Fetterman, 42/50. And a red parallel of Jarrell Rivera, 2/5. He probably won't be, Kevin, because Topps Chrome only produces rookies, bud. They don't have prospects. They'll be in Bowman. They'll be in Bowman Chrome probably. He might be. He might not be. Depends where his ranking is. He won't be in Topps Chrome until he's a rookie. He ain't gonna come up that quick. All right, Reese Albert, 39/50. They don't put prospects in Topps Chrome. Next up, we have a Caleb Balgard, 42/50. He'll be in like 2019 Chrome probably. Topps Chrome. Unless they bring him up earlier, and I don't think they will though. He's still young. All right, Andres Santana, 4/25. He's in Bowman draft. He definitely is. He's #1 overall pick. He'll be in there. As long as he signed with Topps. If he didn't sign with Topps, he won't be in there, but that'll kill the whole set. Trying, Rick. Next up, we have a Cole Turney, 1/1. There you go. Look. I didn't think a blue one would be. There you go, Rick. He said, show me a 1/1. There you go, buddy. Cole Turney, 1/1. That's funny. All you gotta do is call it, buddy. It'll come out. Cold Turney. All right, on the purple, we have a Alejandro Terrell. That's hilarious. 2 of 10. It's like the other night, I was like, man, can't believe we haven't pulled Vince Millet yet out of freaking contenders. There's usually 4 in a case, and next auto is Vince Millet. Next up on the pink, Garrett Mitchell. Number 7 of 7. Lucky number 7. That's funny. You gonna ask for another one or no? I've gotten 2 in a box. All right. On the pink prism, we have a Adam Hall. 7 of 7. Lucky number 7. All right. Jeremiah Estrada, sorry. 13 of 15. I think I've heard of this kid. I can't get a super now, but I'm out of the metal. We're on to the patch autos. We can get a 1-1 patch auto though. All right, Tanner Burns, 9 of 40. I think there's at least 1 super per case because there's only 99 cases produced, and there's a checklist of over 100 guys, so there's got to be at least 1 per case. Or a couple in some cases. We pulled 1 last case. Ivan Johnson, 13 of 40. Fortunately, no more 101s, buddy. And I got more 180s. I'm all out. Last up, we have a Jake Eater, 9 of 10. There you go, Rick. Thank you, sir. Mail it out to you tomorrow.